Hi friends, so welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and after a long time I have come up with the option strategy for Nifty, and this is completely for the working professionals. It's been quite some time and many people were asking for a strategy. I myself was discouraging because I was telling, please don't change the strategies. There are many strategies available already on my channel. Stick to one of them, stick to one of them. And my latest hit one was Bajaj Finance. I was making everyone trade the same. So now I have done a back test, also I've done live trading for almost 1 month in this particular strategy, the Nifty open close option strategy. So I will be providing you the backtest as well. The Excel will be provided. It will be available in the Telegram group, as well as if you want, you can WhatsApp on my number and collect it from me. The link for the group is available in the description of this video. Also, I'll be showing you how do we do the strategy. I'll also show you the backtested data. All those things available in this video. So stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full update. And people, those who are still not subscribed to my channel, this is a channel for all the working professionals. Please do share it with your friends as well. It will be very useful to them. Okay friends, so let's go forward and look into the strategy, what it is all about. So being a professional, it's very difficult to log into the trading terminal full time and do trading. So this is a common problem all the working professionals have. So I have found this strategy especially for working people, and this is nothing but my evergreen concept, the first video which I had uploaded in my YouTube channel. And friends, many of the time you don't have to make trading very complicated. You just have to keep it very simple. It is an evergreen strategy. I'll explain once again what are the rules in this particular video, because we are going to do in options. I have moved on from futures to options now, so that is why I have converted the strategy to options as well, and it is doing wonders. The accuracy is more compared to futures. I can say the returns also are more compared to futures, so you can wait and also observe what I'm doing. Okay, so it is as easy as just keeping alarm at 9:15 and then placing an order at 9:15 and then just auto square of 3:15. Nothing else. You can continue with your work. And what else does a working professional need? Friends, I also told you when I made that video, this was a strategy which turned around for me, and this is also nothing but a pure mechanical strategy. If at all you are finding for a mechanical system, a rule-based strategy where you have to follow the rules daily, you can use this strategy. It's very useful. Just stick on to the rules, and also you can do the compounding as well. It will give you very beautiful results. So now what is the strategy all about? The strategy is very simple. First, you have to keep alarm at 9:14, so that if you're traveling or if you're in your office and all those things, you'll come to know that you have to trade. That's a technique which I use. After that, if yesterday was a positive day, that is, just look into yesterday's candle or yesterday's value of Nifty. Always look into the option chart. So nothing but the spot chart. When you're trading in options, you have to look into the spot chart. Okay. So if the close price is greater than the open price, we are not worried about the color. The color can change sometimes based on its previous day as well. What we are looking is, if the close price is greater than the open price, then we are going to sell at the money call option today. Okay, I'll repeat it again. If yesterday was a positive day, that is, if close is greater than open, then today we are going to sell at the money call option. Now what is at the money call option? I will show it in my video, in my backtested Excel, so that you'll understand. And it's the same case, opposite case, if we get a negative yesterday. So if it was negative yesterday, then today it will be selling the put option, at the money put option. So let me take to the Excel so that you'll get a better understanding. So this is the open high low data. I just took it from NS India website for my easy calculation purpose, and this was the normal points which we do. Friends, this was a strategy which I thought first in my YouTube video. In case if you're not still seen this is for the equity futures, for the futures trading if you're doing. And still you can see in 2020 also this has given beautiful results. I've taken from January. You can see I've also considered the maximum loss, so in case if stop loss is hit, I have taken that as well. And you can see almost 2779 points in the month of in the year 2020. Even if you take slippages, even if you take brokerages and all those things, 50% comes also, you're in huge profits. Okay, so now we have moved out of futures and I am doing options, and you can see that Options, which are we going to take, the call or the put? I have mentioned in this column. The strike price, that is the ATM strike price, I mentioned here, and then we are selling it. This is a short strategy, and don't worry, funds required is not much enough for intraday. If you're doing it, hardly requires around 50,000 or less than that. I don't know, some people provide more leverages, and then we're just buying back end of the day, and this is the points and this is the amount which I've calculated. And for the month of August, I almost got 30% returns. And friends, these are all real trades which I have taken. As soon as the market opens, there was slippage. Yes, if the slippages were not taken considered, then would have got more profit, but unfortunately I had slippages as well. It's part of trading, we can't help. So first let me explain the strategy so that you'll get a clear understanding. So say for example on 31st August you have to trade. So the market has opened at 11,778. So I have to take the ATM. So the strike price you can see here is 11,750. Always look into the nearest strike price. So you might ask me, sir, can I take 11,800 as well, or I can take 11,750 as well? You can take anything. But here what I did was I just tried to take ITM. Reason because the premium was almost fully gone. Okay, so I want a little bit of premium, and that's the reason I took 750. You can take 11,800 also, it's not a problem. Both are considered as ATM. Reason because it's almost in the center. 11,775 is almost in the center. Okay friends, so this is how we take the strike price. And how did I decide whether I should take call or whether I should take put? The reason because I saw the previous day. The previous day market opened at 11,603 and it closed at 11,648. So it means that the market was positive. So since it was positive, today I have taken a call option. Simple. Same way, previous day you can see market opened at 11,609 and then it closed at 11,559. So it means it went down. So it went down. So on 28th, what I have taken is a put option. Simple. So whenever previous day market was positive, sell a call option. Whenever previous day market was negative, sell a put option. As simple as that. Now friends, I have done a full trade in this month of August. And one more interesting observation I want to give you here is, in futures when I traded the same logic, you can see the kind of stop losses I got. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost 11 stop losses was hit in the month of August. But when I'm trading in options, just see the stop loss. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is only 4 stop losses, friends. This is the beauty of selling options, because you will get even premium decay. If the market is moving sideways, there is going to be premium decays. So, and also one more thing here, you see the point here is almost only 0.5, that is -5. Yeah, that means market has moved sideways, but in options we have got almost 27 points profit. That is because of premium decay. I agree, when there are big profits like 125, we won't get in options. Reason because we have only premium of 65 rupees. But here what happens is your accuracy increases in option. In this futures, your accuracy reduces. But when big events happen, you'll get big profits. Yeah. And one more thing which you have to know is about the delta. So what happens is, if you're not very aware of the Greeks, you can ignore this, but I'm just trying to explain to you. What happens is that if a future moves by 50 points, the options will move by 25 points, because we are taking at the money, close to 25 points. It can be 22 to 30 in that range. Okay, so here you can see the stop went to 50. The future got 50 stop loss. That is because the maximum stop loss was -69. That is a maximum movement in one way direction. But in option we never got loss. Reason because if for 50 points movement, option would have moved only 25 points, whereas a stop loss kept here was 50 points. So a stop loss is not hit. Same in this case, you can see here 58 points movement has happened and we got stop loss hit here, but here stop loss was not hit, we got 60 points profit. Okay, so this is the beauty of options, friends, and this is why I am always tempting you, or I am promoting you to come to options. Start with options, try this strategy in options, it will work wonders. This Excel file also I'll provide to you. You can do it for yourself, and please do your own testing. You can test it, live test. You can do it for 1 week or 1 month and then find the results and then trade. And stop loss, as I told you, is going to be 50 points. All rules are same as my first strategy which I explained to you. So you might ask me, sir, I'm doing in options, why can't I keep it off? Not required. 50 I found it more useful, friends, because in case there's any violent movement also, you will be safe. And then let the profit run, don't keep any targets. And the money management part, most important. Don't use leverage. You can use only as per this rule which I have given you. So for trading one lot of Nifty, you need 1 lakh in your investment. I agree you can trade with 50,000, or if you're using brokers like Asta and all those things, you can use for much less amount. But still, SEBI is coming out with new rules. I have told you also, I made a video on that. So for our practice, we are going to follow this rule very strictly. One lot of Nifty you're trade have 1 lakh in your account, and when you want to increase, that is compounding, when your profit increases to 2 lakhs, you can go with 2 lots, and 3 lakhs is through 3 lots. And friends, this is pure systematic trading or pure mechanical trading system. So in case if you want to do mechanical trading system, you can follow the strategy day in and day out, no changing the rules, follow daily. So by saying this, let me just summarize to you. Keep alarm at 9:14 and log in your trading terminal and place your order based on the strategy. And after that, keep a stop loss of 50 points and then close your trading terminal and work, play, enjoy peacefully. So hope you liked my video. It is purely for the working professionals. Please do subscribe to my channel still if you're not subscribed. And in case if you feel that your friends are coming to trading and you're working, please do share with them. It will be very useful to them. If you want the backtested file, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. And also don't forget to press the link, or in case if you want to join Upstock or Angel Brookings, you'll be getting discounts on my workshops as well. Okay friends, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.